Estrada's proposal for integrating internet safety and social media education into the K-12 curriculum aims to address the growing digital risk faced by students. Several issues could be raised against it. So curriculum overload. So the addition of internet safety lessons could overwhelm an already packed K-12.
Yun, exactly.
Oo, kasi di ba, it's just another class of its own.
Yun nga.
Ang daming alam nito ni Jinggoy.
I mean, gets ko Gets ko yung point Pero kasi unang-una, paano natin i-enforce? And yung mga tao ba sa DepEd, maalam din ba talaga, no? Are they consulting experts or professionals, no? When it comes to enforcing this kind of curriculum and this kind of teaching, no? Di ba? I mean, they will need the help of a lot of experts and people who are, tech savvy. Sa DepEd pa nga lang, ang dami na naging issues before, no, when it comes to procuring tech products.
Tsaka bro, we are underestimating the savviness of students.
Of students.
Over digital technologies. Mas marunong pa nga sa inyo yan.
and I think yung internet safety, instead of i-include sa curriculum, which is tama unang-una overloaded, I think they should start at home. I think yung parents, no, magkaroon ng initiative when it comes to educating their children when it comes to the use of the internet, basically, in social media. No? Kasi unang-una, of course, responsibilidad ng mga magulang yan, ng mga anak nila kung ano ba na ano nila sa internet, ano yung binabrowse nila,